Hi guys, this is Diya and welcome back to my channel Mom and Me. So today I am going to walk you through my daily bathroom cleaning routine. It's a routine that I have been following since many years now, and I have become so efficient at it that I can literally finish my routine in less than 5 minutes. So today I am going to walk you through my routine and show you some easy simple things that you can do on daily basis to keep your bathroom fresh and clean. So let's get started. Always remember one thing, that you don't have to do it perfectly, you just have to get up and do it. So just get up and do it. So guys, I've divided my entire routine in 5 steps and each step takes roughly around a minute. So the first step is to clear the bathroom area, remove clothes lying on the floor, towels, floor mats, clear sink counters and anything else that may obstruct in cleaning process. This literally took me 30 seconds and now my bathroom is ready to be cleaned. I have left this toilet roll here as I will be using it to wipe down the toilet seat. It's much hygienic compared to wiping toilet seat with a microfiber cloth. Also, before I start cleaning my bathroom, I will show you my toilet. As you can see, it does not look dirty at all, and it's due to this little guy here. This toilet block works wonders in keeping the toilet pot clean, as its baking soda and soapy formula cleans the toilet with every flush. It never forms that ugly brown hard water rings which looks gross. So I highly recommend using such blocks as it helps keeping your toilet cleaner for longer. Next, I will show you the spray that I use to clean my bathroom. I simply use a mixture of white vinegar and water, 50-50 ratio. I always have this spray bottle in my bathroom so that I can get onto my daily cleaning job without any excuse. Now coming to step 2, which is spraying the entire bathroom. I always start spraying the toilet seat first, then shower area and lastly the sink. So moving from left towards the right. Once I have thoroughly sprayed, I get on to step 3, which is wiping. I prefer wiping right to left. That is, first I wipe the sink and then I finish with the toilet seat. Shower area I clean while I'm actually showering. So spray left to right and wipe right to left, or in other words, start with spraying the toilet first but finish wiping the toilet at last so that you do not cross-contaminate. Also, I prefer wiping down the mirrors and the sink with the microfiber cloth, but for toilet seat, I simply use toilet roll. Another thing, I wipe down my kids' potty seat first, then the big seat. I always clean the shower area while I'm in the shower. So the first thing I do is spray water on the walls. That will get rid of the water and the vinegar. Then once I'm done showering, I will scrub the floor using a scrubbing pad. I keep a scrubbing pad in my shower and I use my foot to clean the floor. While showering, there is actually enough soap on the floor and all I do is use my foot to clean the floor, a great way to clean shower area floor without bending down. Lastly, to clean the rest of the bathroom floors, I will pour some water directly onto the floor and simply squeegee it. In past, I used to vacuum floors first then mop, but now I use same amount of water as I would use in a mopping bucket, but I pour it directly on the floor and squeegee it and wipe the floor using a rag. It is much more refreshing and saves me a step of vacuuming. Also, if I decide to clean the bathroom before showering and if I do not have the vacuum with me, I can still clean my bathroom as I have all the supplies with me in the bathroom itself. Now on to the last step, which is to put everything back, toilet papers, towel, etc. Consider refilling if you need to refill something like soap, toilet roll, etc. Also, if you have to wash the towel or replace floor mats, do so now. And tada, your bathroom is clean in no time. So guys, maintaining a clean bathroom is not really that difficult. All you have to do is just spend some time every day, and as you get more efficient, you will get it done a lot quicker. And trust me guys, a clean bathroom is like an addiction. Once you are addicted to it, you would want clean bathroom every day and you yourself will find time to clean it every day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, liked my tips and my routine, and I shall see you in next cleaning video, and bye for now.